Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And something interesting happened, and I don't know if this is going to be something regular with Microsoft. So, of course, I installed the bug fixing update that arrived this weekend that fixes the connectivity issue where you can't log into your different accounts, like Teams, for example, with a Microsoft account. Some even have mentioned that it gives them an error that says that there's no internet connectivity. So that came through KB 5085516. Now, what's interesting is that once the restart happened and that it was installed, this popped up immediately at restart. So this is kind of interesting to see that they popped up this page. And I guess if we click next, the big clock is back. All right. Try now. What does that do? Try now. This side is trying to open settings. Okay. Here we go. And so it has that format. I don't know. There's no. So anyways, I do have the clock when you click here, up here. And then what's next? You have another option, which is emojis. You have another option where it's bringing your files to life, upload document Copilot, and Windows can help you find key points. Okay. Capture, create, communicate, screenshot with snipping tool or snap. Get more of everyday life. So basically, it doesn't say that much. But it's mostly because I'm surprised that it popped up this, well, you're up to date. Maybe it's a once in a while thing where they're trying to have you examine new features. But it happened with this update for this weekend. It usually doesn't do that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.